Today we will learn how to create Party Master. First we go to the transaction party and click the party screen. Now we will click a new button for creating Party Master. Now we have to enter the party name which we are making. You can enter the party name according to your requirements. Now we have to define the display party name. In this column of party type, we have to define the party type, for instance if the party is a customer, supplier or supplier-cum-customer. Now we have to define a sharing cluster.
Basically, if you have multiple companies, then you have to define the party type as per the company.
Now we have to go to the next tab, Gst Nature. In this first we have to define Gst Treatment, like is this registered or unregistered, consumer, etc. If a party is registered for Gst, then we have to define Gst no of the same party. Now we have to define the place of supply, like in which state party is registered. Now we have to define currency of the party. Next we have to define tax preference, like our party is taxable or tax exempt. Now we have to go to the next tab. In this we have to define the credit limit. Now we have to define credit days, like advance, CDP at site, etc. Now we will go to the next tab, address. Now we have to enter the address of the party. Here we need to fill all the mandatory fields. Further, we have to select the city name from the drop-down of City Master and add the city PIN code of the party. Next we have to select state and country from the state/country master. For this we have to click F2 for both the selections. Now we have to enter the mobile NO of the concerned person from the respective party. Moving on, we have to define whether the billing address is the same or not. You can enter the details as per your requirements. Here I am keeping the same, as it serves my purpose. Now we will go to the next tab, Contact Person. In this tab, first we have to define the prefix of the person, like Mr., Mrs., Dr., etc. Next in this step is to define name of person and mobile NO and his email ID, and we need to enter his designation. Now we will go to the next tab, Bank Details. Under this we have to define bank name, bank address, bank account NO and bank IFSC code. Now we will move to the next tab, Party Security. Here we need to set the default party security. Now after saving all the entered details, the party is created. If you want any changes in this party master, you can click on Revise tab and make changes as per the revision. In the future, if you want to find this party, then you need to click the Find tab and you can see all party details you have just created.